County, southeastern Onondaga County, until 7:15 p.m.
Oh my God.
At 6:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pompey, or 12 miles southeast of Syracuse, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pompey, Chatainango, Manlius, Fayetteville, Manoa, Cazenovia, Watervale, Green Lake State Park, Perryville, and Orion.